Shocking news. Chinese fans want Fan Zhendong to return after ITTF World Cup 2025 disappointment by coach EmRatThich. The ITTF World Cup Macau 2025 has ended, and it ended in a shocking way for Chinese table tennis fans. Hugo Calderano from Brazil claimed the gold medal, defeating not just one, but all the top Chinese players. Lin Shidong, Wang Chuqin, Liang Jingkun, none of them could stop Hugo. And now, the Chinese table tennis community is left asking one question. Where is Fan Zhendong? The absence that changed everything. Fan Zhendong, a 4-time World Cup champion, was not on Team China's roster for the 2025 World Cup, and the results speak for themselves. China has lost the gold. Fans on Chinese social media are calling for his return. They believe that without Fan Zhendong, Team China lost its strongest backbone. His mental toughness, his stability, and his unmatched willpower in high-pressure moments were all missing. But why didn't Fan Zhendong play? The answer lies partly in the current selection policies of the WTT and CTTA. Fan Zhendong, now in his late 20s, has been gradually stepping back from international competitions. Some sources suggest it's due to a combination of injury prevention, new generational rotation, and strategic planning from the national team. But the fans aren't convinced. Fan Zhendong, a mental monster. Let's not forget, by the age of 23, Fan Zhendong had already won 4 World Cup titles, 2016, 2018, 2019, and 2020. At 21, he was already lifting the trophy. He is the epitome of mental toughness. Fan Zhendong doesn't crack under pressure. Even when trailing by several points, he doesn't panic. He stares you down, point by point, and claws his way back. Watching him is like watching a masterclass in grit and belief. As a spectator, you feel his presence. You believe in his comeback because he believes in it himself. What could have been? Let's be honest. If Fan Zhendong hadn't played in the era of Ma Long's dominance, he might be sitting on even more titles. And if the World Cup hadn't been suspended during the pandemic years, he could easily have added to his collection. If he hadn't stepped back so early, if he was still playing like in his prime, we might not be talking about China losing to Hugo Calderano. He's just 1 Olympic gold and 1 world championship away from catching up with Ma Long. And yet he's 9 years younger. The talent is there, the hunger is there, but the system now favors new blood. A waste of talent? That's what many Chinese fans feel. Fan Zhendong was the chosen one. He was neck and neck with Ma Long, the future of Chinese table tennis. And now, he's not even in the lineup for the most important event in 2025. It feels like a waste. The result? China lost. The world is stunned. And the fans are speaking up. We want Fan Zhendong back. Maybe it's time for Team China to listen. Coach EmRatThich, PingSunday, the ultimate place to learn table tennis.
Sehr, sehr präzise gespielt, vor allem in den wichtigen Situationen war er sehr konzentriert und sehr, das war schon, ja, er spielt halt mit einer unfassbaren Präzision, mit einer sehr guten Platzierung, in einer guten Ruhe und Übersicht auch. Ich glaube, das sind so die Merkmale, die ihn auch zeichnen. Was man halt im Internet sieht, ist, wie er die Dinger durchzieht auf beiden Seiten. Und wie schnell er sich da bewegt, das gab es auch 1-2 Mal, aber...
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.